Hello everyone and welcome back to Dynamics Academy YouTube channel. My name is Abhishek Doria and I will be your host in this video. And before starting this video, I want to just say a big thank you and congratulate all of you because till today, while recording this video, we are a family of more than 2000 community members on various social media platforms. I want to take a little bit of your time to share what was the agenda behind starting this Dynamics Academy YouTube channel as well as various social media platforms because the day when we launched our first video, that was on 31st December 2018, we never hoped that we would be achieving this milestone so soon. We started Dynamics Academy with an objective to build a community of like-minded people to share their knowledge, experiences and learnings around Microsoft Dynamics 365 business apps, Power Platform and other related Microsoft technologies. So with this intention in mind, we wanted to basically build a platform and community of like-minded people where they can freely share their knowledge, experiences, and the day-to-day learnings which they had from Dynamics 365 and other related technologies, so that it will help for all of us as a community to learn and grow in their careers as well as to reach their aspirations. So on that note, let me now give you a little bit introduction about myself. My name is Abhishek Doria and I am a Microsoft certified educator, blog author, and Microsoft certified professional in Dynamics 365 Power Platform and other related technologies. Currently, I am working as a consultant with Microsoft as a full-time employee, and previous to Microsoft, I have also worked with a reputed branch in IT industry like Infosys and HCL. And having said that, I do possess more than 10 years of industry experience, during which I have implemented more than 9 large-scale Dynamics 365 and CRM projects under various domains like finance, insurance, banking and government, etc. And lastly, I'm a computer engineer and I consider myself as a lifelong learner who likes to learn and share my experiences and knowledge with others and likes to gain knowledge and experiences from others as well. So having said that, let me now share how we are currently achieving our objective, which is to build a community of like-minded people around Dynamics 365 space. Currently, what we are doing is we are sharing our learning, knowledge and experiences by creating videos, articles, courses and other learning materials on leading social media channels every week. Currently, we are on YouTube. You can follow our YouTube channel. Next thing is we also do possess a website blog. And then we have our Facebook page. You can join our Facebook page from the link on the screen. We also do have a Twitter handle. Not only that, we also have a WhatsApp group where we currently have more than 150 people around the different countries and different geographical locations, where we discuss around some common issues which someone is facing. Immediately people will respond to them. We also have Dynamics Academy LinkedIn group. You can join this LinkedIn group from the screen as well. At the same time, let me now show you how you can get maximum benefit out of our YouTube channel and all other social media platforms. Let me now show you on the screen. So friends, this is our YouTube channel where you can see at this point in time we have almost published more than 120 YouTube videos around Dynamics 365 and Business Central. I would say if you are getting confused, better you always go to the playlist tab, and here we have categorized based on the different groups for different kind of videos. For example, we have published almost more than 30 videos around Business Central introductory course. So then the next playlist contains almost 12 videos around the history of Dynamics 365 and how it was originated, the very first version of Dynamics CRM, and even prior to that we have covered all the history into detailed videos. Then we have recently started a new step-by-step feature explanation video tutorial series where we will be picking one of the feature of existing Dynamics 365 and we'll be explaining in detail. So this was about YouTube channel. Let me now show you the WhatsApp chat as well. You can see this is our WhatsApp group. Here you can see the WhatsApp group. You can see people are posting their queries, their concerns, and so many news articles which they feel that it should be shared amongst all. Basically, there are more than approximately 175 participants as of now. We are hoping to increase it more. And it's not only from one particular case, it's across the globe. You can find all the participants from this particular WhatsApp group. I highly encourage you all to join this WhatsApp group. So along with that, we also have our Facebook page. Here also you will be finding so many useful articles shared by the Facebook community members. And not only that, we also have our website and blog for all contents in websites as well. If you want to follow us on Twitter, this is our Twitter account, you can follow there. And lastly, you can follow our LinkedIn group where we have the active community members from LinkedIn as well. So this would be a great place and make connections from here as well. So having said that, let me now share our future roadmap, where we are planning to first start expert 101 interviews with all the famous blog authors in Dynamics 365 and Cloud platform. So from where you will be able to learn how their journey was, you will be able to learn from their experiences, how they began their journey, as well as you will be able to learn from their experiences as well. And next thing what we are planning in coming months is we are planning to start YouTube live sessions amongst the community members, where you will be able to interact freely with our Dynamics Academy experts, and you can ask your questions and we'll be discussing around one particular topic. Not only that, we are planning to start job posting and interview schedules in all the social media platforms. People are currently doing the same thing in our WhatsApp group, so you will be able to learn about new opportunities around your area. So we are planning to inculcate this feature in our website as well. Currently we are publishing one video every week, but eventually we are trying to publish more video content on a frequently basis. First we are targeting to publish 2 videos a week, and then eventually 3, and then we are targeting to achieve 1 video per day. And not only this, we are also planning to launch so many more things in coming sessions, like Q&A sessions, giveaways, quizzes and contests, and much more. So on that note, once again I want to thank you for all your love and support that you have provided to us till this date, and we expect the same and even increase the same thing in our upcoming days. I thank you for watching this video till the end. So if you have learned something new out of this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Dynamics Academy, and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update whenever we release a new video to our Dynamics Academy YouTube channel. And on that note, I end this video and take your leave. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And once again, thank you for your time.